Good morning, children. Sairam, welcome back. Are you all preparing for the exam? Yes, you need to prepare hard because your exam is coming near. Yes, so keep preparing. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6, part 4. Before this, we have learned 3 parts of the same lesson, that is getting to know the place we live in. Okay? Yeah. Uh, Before we proceed, I would like to have a recap. Okay, what we have learned in the previous class is a birthplace that is Khed of Rajguru has been renamed as Rajguru Nagar. Okay, Rajguru was one of the important revolutionary. He and his friends, they fought against Britishers for the freedom of our motherland. Okay, children. Then 18th April is observed as which day? World Heritage Day. Yes. Sant Gadge Maharaj's real name was Debuji Jhingroji Janorkar. Okay. And he is known as one of the great saints of 20th century. He raised social awareness among people through his kirtans. Okay. And he appealed to the people to get educated because education is very important. Okay, children? Yes. Now we'll proceed further. Yeah. New words. First we'll repeat and then I'll tell you the meaning. Transport. Transport. Repeat. Transport. 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 Yeah, means move or carry goods from one place to another. Okay, people, we move from one place to another by using transport such as car, bus, auto rickshaw, aeroplane, train, ship. Yes, and goods also can be carried through these vehicles. Yes, children. Next word, items. ITEMS, items. ITEMS, items. ITEMS, items. Means things in a list. Okay. For example, stationery items we say. If you want to buy stationery items, then we list out the items such as pencil and eraser, notebook, pen, marker, okay, and so on. Understood? Items means the things in a list. Next word, essential. ESSENTIAL, essential. ESSENTIAL, essential. ESSENTIAL, essential means important or necessary. Available. AVAILABLE, available. AVAILABLE, available. AVAILABLE, available means that can be obtained easily. Okay, that can be obtained. For example, nowadays mangoes are available in the market. Okay. Enquire. ENQUIRE, enquire. ENQUIRE, enquire. ENQUIRE, enquire means ask for the information. Okay, suppose you need some information, then you need to enquire. Okay. Next word, well-being. WELLBEING, well-being. WELLBEING, well-being. WELLBEING, well-being means a state of being uh, healthy or happy or safe or comfortable, we say. Okay, a state of being healthy or happy, comfortable or safe. uh, for example, your parents are always concerned about your well-being. Okay. Next word, various. 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 Good. Means different from one another. Means different kinds or many types we say. Okay. Next word, buyers. 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 Buyers means the people, those who want to buy or purchase the things. Okay. Or a person who wants to buy or purchase a thing. Okay. Next word, specific. 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 Means a particular or fixed. Next word, traders. 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 Means a person who buys and sell goods. Okay. A person who buys and sells goods. Next word, adequate. 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 Means sufficient or enough. Next word, capital. 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 Means money or wealth required to do the business. Okay. Money or wealth required to do the business. Okay. See children, capital word has we have learnt in the lesson number 4. It has come in the lesson number 4. Okay. That is previous lesson we have learnt. But that is different. No, state capital. Okay. Yeah, capital of the country we say. And here the meaning is different. Capital means money or wealth required to do the business. Clear children? Next word, rent. R-E-N-T. Rent. R-E-N-T. Rent. R-E-N-T. Rent. Means money paid regularly for the use of any house or any flat, any land or any shop we can say. Okay. Money paid regularly for the use of land or flat or house. Okay. Suppose you have taken a flat on rent. Okay. Then you are supposed to pay rent to the owner. Clear? Yes. Cheaper. Next word, cheaper. 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 Means at low price or at low cost. Okay. Yes children, I hope you all have understood the meanings. Okay, clear everything about new words. Yes, keep learning. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to see what is a weekly market. Okay. A weekly market is a market which is held on a specific day of the weeks. Okay. Those markets have specific days, particular days or fixed. The days are fixed. For example, they may have on Sunday or on Wednesday. You know. Yeah. In Thane also some places we have weekly markets. Okay. So they have, means the market is held on a specific day of the week. Weekly markets do not have permanent shops. Okay, the shops are not permanent, they are on the temporary basis. See, traders set up shops for the day and close them in the evening. Okay, every day they need to set up a new shop, and in the evening they are supposed to close the shop. Okay, they may then they may set up a different place the next day. Okay, next day they have to search for the new place. Okay, and they can set up their shop there. Clear? So every day they are supposed to set up their shop, and in the evening uh, they are supposed to wind up. Okay children, so that is on the temporary basis, not on the permanent basis. Yes, there are thousands of such markets in India. Okay, there are many markets in India. People come here for their everyday requirements. People go to the weekly market to buy their daily needs. Okay, daily requirements. Many things in weekly markets are available at cheaper rates. Okay, many things we can buy at cheaper rates. Okay, means at low price, low cost. People in villages are dependent on weekly markets for their daily needs. Okay, see children, here we have malls, big malls we have, then we have shopping centers. No, so we go for shopping in malls and shopping centers, but in villages, still people are dependent on weekly markets for their daily needs. They go to the weekly market to buy daily requirements. These markets sell all essential items. Okay, in these markets we can buy all essential items, means important items or necessary, what we need regularly, what we need daily. Okay, we can purchase in these markets. Mainly food grains, vegetables, fruits, farming implements, clothes become available here. All these items are available in the weekly markets. Okay, these items we require on the daily basis. Okay, so we can go in the market and we can purchase those items. See, this is the fruit market. Fruits are arranged nicely, no, and you can see traders and buyers there. Traders, they can sell their products, they can sell their goods, and buyers can purchase from traders. Okay, this is the vegetable market. See, all the vegetables are kept in baskets so that they can wind up easily in the evening. Okay, yeah, this is the cloth market. Clothes are arranged neatly. Yes, yeah, these are the grocery items. No, the items are placed in the container. Okay, and grocers are, see, these are the grocers are waiting for the buyers to come for purchasing. Yes, yeah, these are the farming implements. No, these also we can get, these farming implements we can buy from the weekly market. Okay, the market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. Okay, see, when we go to the market, sometimes we meet our friends. Yes or no? Then what do? We ask them about family members' health. No? Then we exchange our ideas or we exchange our thoughts. Yes, and in turn, our friends, they inquire about us. Okay? Sellers in the weekly markets are usually small traders and businessmen who do not have adequate capital to buy or rent shops. Okay, these are the small traders. They do not have adequate capital, means they don't have sufficient money with them. Okay, sufficient capital with them, enough money with them to buy a permanent shop or to buy a shop on rent. Understood? So that is why they set up their shops on daily basis and on temporary basis. Clear children? Yes, now we are going to see advantages of weekly markets. All the items are available under one roof. Okay, we can buy all the items which we need to buy on regular basis. We get under one roof. That means at one place we need not go anywhere to purchase the items. Okay, so we get all the items are available under one roof. Understood? At one place we get to buy everything. Buyers do not have to go to different places for different goods. Okay? We do not have to go to different places, and this saves people's money and time. Yes or no? Okay? This saves their time and money. No? So this is the advantage of weekly market. We get everything under one roof. Since there are many sellers selling the same product, the buyer has a choice regarding whom to buy from. Means we have a choice. If we did not like the item in one shop, then we can go to the next shop. There also we did not like, then you have a choice to go to the third shop, like that. Okay? Clear, children? Yeah. Once again, we'll see the advantages. See, all the items are available under one roof. Okay, we get all the items at one place. Buyers do not have to go to different places for different goods. This saves our time and money. Since there are many sellers selling the same products, the buyer has a choice regarding whom to buy from. People have a choice to buy their products from the good, that means good quality of product from the traders. Okay, they have a choice. Clear, children? I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, yeah. Now remaining part we are going to learn in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram. Take care and keep studying, children.